Hello students, welcome back. Now I am going to start the next paragraph. Guy said Tommy, what a waste. What you are through with the book. You just throw it away. I guess a television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, where did you find it in the house? He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. What is it about? School. Margie was scornful. Where? There to write about school. I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been given her test after test in geography, and she had been doing horse and horse until her mother had shaken her hand sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. In this our paragraph, we will see that Tommy disliked the printed book. He said that it was waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have same different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read a particular story. Margie agreed with Tommy's opinion. Margie was 11 years of age and she has not read as many books as Tommy had because Tommy was older to Margie. He was 13 years of age. Margie asked Tommy that where had he found the printed books. Tommy replied to Margie that he found the printed books in the storeroom of the house. He was so busy reading the book that he did not remove his glance from the book. Margie asked that what the book was about. Tommy replied that book was about school, about going to school, about the life at school. Margie hated the word school and so she said that what was there to write about that an entire book had been written about school. What is Margie's school? Margie's school is a mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher, that means the machine which teaches you and not the school where we all go. Now, why did Margie hate school? Margie hate school was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like we have today. So, in the future, we are thinking that the schools will be virtual classrooms. There will be machines that will be teaching the children. Margie hated the machine because it was giving her so many tests. Giving her so many tests in geography, which were many difficult for her. She was performing very bad. Finally, her mother thought that there was something wrong with that machine. So, she had called the country inspector to check it. Now, the next paragraph. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put together again, but he knew all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. In this paragraph, we will see that the country inspector came to school, checked the mechanical teacher. He was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. So the man opened the machine. He was there to repair the computer. Once he had opened the computer, Margie wished that he would be unable to close it back because she did not like computer. She did not like to study from this teacher. But the man was an expert, and within an hour he had repaired the computer and had closed it and made it ready to teach Margie once again. Margie gives a description of the computer. She feels that it was very huge. It is black in color and she dislikes the appearance. It has a big screen and all the lessons appear on the screen. And many questions are asked at the same screen which are difficult for Margie. Margie hated the mechanical teacher the most because he had to submit her homework and test papers to it. Margie had to write her homework and her test papers in a particular punch code, that is computing language. She had learned the language at the age of 6. The machine checked the papers and calculated her marks in a few seconds. I hope you understand this paragraph. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello students, welcome back. Now I am going to start the next paragraph. Guy said Tommy, what a waste. What, you are through with the book? You just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11